Hello, welcome to the next video in our series about Infusible Ink. Today we're going over how to layer the transfer sheets for the Infusible Ink. So I've already got most of this set up. I've got my tote bag with my butcher paper underneath and my Easy Press mat. I actually put my Easy Press mat in my tote bag because it fits and it helps apply even pressure. I have my Easy Press preheated, and I'm actually going to go ahead and preheat my tote bag now. Once again, this is set at 385 for 40 seconds for putting the design on. I just need to wait till it gets down to 25 seconds. I need to wait till it gets to this 25 seconds to preheat, and then I'm going to take it off. I'm going to remove my butcher paper, and this one I really want to cool down. These are transfer sheets I cut previously for this Lord of the Rings themed bag. This is a design I got off of Etsy that I'm making for a friend. I went through, I weeded it, I trimmed it as close as I could. I'm hoping it's close enough with just what I did. Otherwise, I'll have to go in and do some more detailed cuts. So these look really similar right now, but actually the text is from the retro marbled transfer sheet. It's going to be like an orange and stuff, and the sword with the tree is from the warm gray. To make sure the liner is not blocking any of the other infusible ink. All right, so I finally got this lined up. I'm going to grab my butcher paper and I'm going to get this pressed. So I'm going to hold it down. Once again, light pressure, 385 for 40 seconds. All right, I'm going to very carefully lift this up, slide it off. I am done, so I'm going to turn off my Easy Press, carefully lift my butcher paper, and let's look at the design and see how it turned out. There we go. So you'll see it is much darker than it was before. The reason we had to work so hard to line it up instead of doing two presses is if I had pressed one layer and then put the other one on and pressed it again, it would have way overheated that first layer I had done. So now we've got this set up and it is good to go. Thanks for joining me in learning about how to layer the Infusible Ink transfer sheets. Go ahead and check out the other videos in our playlist for more information. Until next time, bye.